Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Pathfinder, and in this car I have a problem, tilt motor not working, this one, and that's the problem when I switch up, down and left, right, not working. And that today I will show you what is the problem actually and why this tilt motor not working. So I remove this all cover, and you can see here down the steering wheel there is a tilt motor. One is here, one is there, two motor is there. Okay, this is full assembly for tilt motor system. So I check when I do here on, off, up and down, electricity is there, but I think this motor some problem. And then when I like this, and then see sometime working, so that means this tilt motor damage. So if your car have a same problem, check this out first, tester, fix it, and check this green wire. Okay, and then just see, when I press switch, electricity is there, but motor not working. So that means this motor has problem and motor damage. When I do like this, then it's sometime working. See, okay, thank you. So if your car have same problem, you have to replace this tilt motor assembly. Okay.